Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a 3D parametric helix DNA spiral using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So here NumPy is used for numerical calculations such as generating the spiral coordinates, and Matplotlib is used for plotting 2D and 3D graphs, and MPL toolkit it is used which enables 3D plotting in Matplotlib. So to create a 3D parametric helix pattern, now we will set the number of points for the spiral. So here n is equals to 1000. This defines the number of points for steps you want along the helix. So the higher the value of n, the smoother the curve will appear, because there will be more data points in the plot. And now we'll create parametric equation for the helix. So here t is equals to np.linspace. This generates n evenly spaced values of between 0 and 10 pi, and the t value represents the angle or time along with the helix as it twists. So this range will make the helix loop several times. And x is equals to np.sin t. The x coordinate of the helix are given by the sine of t, and this creates a horizontal oscillation in the x direction, which is a wave-like movement. And y is equals to np.cos t. Here the y coordinate are given by the cosine of t, and this works alongside the sine to create a circular motion around the z-axis, giving the 3D spiral its shape. And z is equals to t, so the z coordinates simply follow the values of t, which means the helix rises or spirals upward as t increases. So the z axis is the height of the spiral. And now we'll set up the plot. So this creates a new figure or the plot. The figure size argument defines the dimension of the plot, which is 6 inches wide and 6 inches tall. So here this line adds a 3D subplot to the figure. The 111 means one row, one column and one subplot. In this case there is only one single plot. And projection 3D tells Matplotlib that you want to create a 3D plot. And now we'll plot the helix. And this function plots the x, y and z coordinates in a 3D space, and color is equals to purple sets the color of the helix line to purple, and LW is equals to 2 sets the line width to 2 and makes the line a little thicker, which makes it stand out more. Now we'll set titles and labels for the axis. So this adds a title to the plot and with font size 16. So ax.set label, this adds labels in the x-axis and y-axis and z-axis. So these labels are displayed on the plot to indicate which axis corresponds to which dimension in the 3D space. And now at last we will display the plot. So plt.show displays the plot. So here we can see a 3D parametric helix pattern. So thanks for watching this video.